right, let's put together I'm Grateful for You. You should have a card base, a teal layer, a white layer, and a pattern layer. Some of you will have a pink one. You'll have two flower cutouts. One is a plain heavyweight paper, the other is a glossy cardstock. You'll have your sentiment strip. You should also have 5 little prism gems. You will need a tape runner, liquid glue, and I find it easier to place gems with a tweezer, so you will also need tweezers. So let's go ahead and move everything out of the way we're not going to use first. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and glue together your flower layers. So instead of getting glue on my glass mat, I'm gonna put down this little craft sheet to keep my desk a little neater. So what I do is this bottom layer, the heavy white, I'll add the glue to the top of that and place my glossy with the back down on top of this one. I like this Zig glue because it does come out blue when you're laying it down, so you can actually see where you've got it, and it does dry clear, so don't worry about that. And then just go ahead and you have to maneuver it just a little bit. Okay, and then sometimes I will use oops, sorry about that, a glass block to go ahead and just weigh it down while it's drying. So let's go ahead and start and put our card together. You take your card base, your teal layer is going to go down flat with tape runner. Just go ahead and center that on your base, and you'll have a little bit of a white border. Then you're going to do your white layer. Now I did bump this up with Fun Foam. You can use foam squares if you want. The Fun Foam and the tear tape, or the two-sided adhesive, gives it a little bit more stability than the foam squares, so you don't have those little wavy spots that you'll get sometimes with just the squares. So this also gets centered. Then you'll take whichever pattern paper you have, and that's going to get attached to the white layer with tape runner. And I'm going to center that also. Now we're going to go back to our flower. I'm just going to pop this up here real quick to put the glue on the back. So you also use the liquid glue to place it down onto the card base layers. This is a nice simple card. You could bring it as a gift for Thanksgiving. I don't know, you could do a lot of stuff with it. I just thought it was really cute. Alright, then you're going to place this on your card base with enough room that you can add your sentiment strip to the bottom. So the sentiment strip I am going to adhere with foam squares. These are the small ones. And your sentiment is just going to go right on the bottom here. Then we have 5 rhinestones to place. I placed 1 on the base of each flower. And then I just popped the other 3 just kind of randomly around the card. And there you have I'm Grateful for You.